Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabudingu Foodies. Today we are making simple and delicious coconut cookies. With just 5 ingredients, these cookies are gluten-free and can easily be made vegan. They are soft, rich, full of coconut flavor and perfect to enjoy with a cup of chai. So if you are new here, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and let's get started. Into a food processor or blender, add 1.5 cup desiccated coconut, half cup of oats, and 1/4 teaspoon baking soda. Blend well until it turns into a fine powder. Next, add half cup of chopped dates and blend again until everything is well combined. Now add about 3 tablespoons of milk and give it one more good blend. Transfer this cookie mixture into a bowl and shape it into cookies. Top it with little more desiccated coconut. Bake in a preheated oven at 170 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. Let them cool completely and enjoy these healthy and delicious cookies. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So do try these healthy and delicious coconut cookies and let me know in the comment section how you liked it. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.